we have something very nice here in original leather bag. And this is the peak model of the super compact Braun Nizo cameras. This is the 156 XL with very clean lens, as you can see. Perfectly working automatic and manual zoom. Perfectly working focus as well. And the camera is in incredible condition. It has 1 frame per second, 9, 18, 24 and 36. Very rare to find on such a compact camera. So let's test it out. First of all, you need to unscrew that and take the lid off. As you can see, super clean battery compartment. Then you need to insert the 4 batteries in. There are some instructions on the side. Please always follow them. Otherwise the camera is not going to be working and you're going to be facing some issues. Once that's done, off, on, voila. So 1 frame per second, 9, 18, 24 and 36. Timer. Automatic zoom. Perfectly working in both directions. As you can see, the camera is in truly outstanding condition. Light meter works very well. So, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin, like this one, which I can barely move. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid. As you can hear, very well working. Let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. So, if the motor manages to spin this expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for your footage. The camera is in truly outstanding condition, as you can see. Yes, there are some scratches here and there, but lens is super clean, light meter works perfectly, all frame rates work perfectly. The camera is a gem. Thank you for your time and let's keep Super 8 alive.